Borobudur Temple Compounds is one of the greatest Buddhist monuments in the world, and was built in the 8th and 9th centuries AD during the reign of the Syailendra Dynasty. The monument is located in the Kedu Valley, in the southern part of central Java, Indonesia. The temple should also be seen as an outstanding dynastic monument of the Syailendra dynasty that ruled Java for around 5 centuries until the 10th century. The Borobudur Temple Compounds consists of 3 monuments, namely the Borobudur Temple and 2 smaller temples situatued to the east on a straight axis to Borobudur. The 2 temples are Mendut Temple, whose depiction of Buddha is represented by a formidable monolith accompanied by 2 Bodhisattvas, and Pawon Temple, a smaller temple whose inner space does not reveal which deity might have been the object of worship. Those 3 monuments represent phases in the attainment of Nirvana. It is not surprising that apart from Prambanan Temple, Borobudur has always been a tourist destination for both domestic and foreign tourists. Until now, Borobudur Temple still stands majestically and charmingly without showing its senility.